You know, the luxurious lipstick, that kind of shine skin. The camera doesn't do justice for it. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I know it's been a very long time since I have created a long content video, but I had some personal reasons and also I was very busy throughout the month. So let's just get over it. I have bought such a huge box from Nykaa. There are literally a lot of items inside, as you can see, and I was missing makeup, so I purchased a few. Okay, so there I'm having some lighting settings, some problems. My hair is not cooperative towards me, so it's been a very long time since I'm doing long content videos. Since I'm doing videos, so just cooperate with me. So the first product that we have over here is the Fit powder 25 medium. Okay, this is how the packaging looks like. I have never used it. I thought it will be a bit of yellow tint, but wow, it's a little pinkish. It looks yellow, but it's not yellow. It's looking a little bit light pink, which is not my skin tone, and most of the Indian skin tones are yellow undertone. So it's looking yellow in the camera, but it's a bit of pink. It's a very nice powder. It's a thick powder. So unfortunately this is not mine. It's in medium shade, but I don't know what. Why did I get it in pink? Maybelline lipstick gloss. This is how it looks. It's very big. I expected it to be small. And wow, it's very big for a wand. It's in the shade Petal pink, I think. It's very cute. Wow. There's a bit of shimmery particles as well in it. Just a second. Can you see where the camera's not capturing? I love it. I purchased this tattoo liner from Maybelline. I never purchased. This is how the tip is. It's very pigmented as well, and I really love it. Then I also purchased my favorite Swiss Beauty concealer. I use this every time I do my makeup. This is basically warm sand, okay, shade, and this I use as a color corrector. I don't use it as a wow, they changed the packaging. Swiss Beauty Swiss Beauty. Before it was not. I have the older one which it's not written Swiss Beauty. But this is the best, honestly. You want to color correct your under eyes, use this first. So this is the best. I've been using this, so I've restocked on this as well. Then I purchased the two cute shades from Miss Claire, because I seen that on sale as well. So this is in the shade 21, okay, and okay, it smells so cutish. Wow, this is gonna be my favorite. This is the shade 21. This is the shade 58, which I've purchased. Okay, this is not opened. That is opened. Why is that open? Weird smell. Wow, it's a nude color. Beautiful. Then I purchased the Stella lashes from Swiss Beauty. These look really nice and really cute. It's like for daily wear kind of thing. Very less lashes. It's very cute also. I got the plum highlighter for free. So it's in the shade Touch Gold. Okay. So yeah, there's a one more packaging, which is so weird. Wow. Wow. It's a very beautiful shade. Goldenish. Gold. I don't want to open it up. I got it for free. I purchased the Swiss Beauty My Shine lipstick. Can you believe it? The don't know why I'm getting so excited. It's having that heart wala. Oh my god. How do I open this? Do I press this? Yeah, it's coming out. But then I cannot put it inside. What? Cannot put it inside. Okay. This is so beautiful. This one. So damn glossy. And it's such a beautiful shade. The shade is Mystic Brown. This is the most famous shade. It's in brownish. So yeah. Next we have is this Powerpuff. Powerpuff, I was like blend sponge. Okay, this is a triangle wala, you know. This is from Bronson. It's a very cute one. Cute chotu wala. So cute. Comes in red, black and pink. Then we have the famous Revlon lipstick. It's in the shade Rum Raisin. I had this in my cart for so long. I couldn't. Wow. This is a lipstick. So good. And this is a very famous shade. Let's swatch it here. I don't feel like swatching it also. Yeah, it's so very good. Wow. Damn. You know the luxurious lipstick? That kind of shine skin. It looks like a luxurious lipstick. Like, damn. Seriously, damn. I don't know. This time my choices of lipstick are so good. So good. I also received this plum hair and shiny travel pack. Which is okay. I'm not gonna use plum ka products for hair and everything. But let's see. This is so cute. It's the shampoo and the hair serum. Wow. Oh, I had the hair serum I could have used for my hair. That's nice. I have another Swiss Beauty one. Okay. But this is the brighter one, which I want to use for brightening my eye under eyes, since I have a lot of dark circles. It's too bright, I think. That's okay. It's good for brightening. I'll use it as a brightening. My brightening concealers are over from Maybelline. That is too expensive. Who's going to use 400 rupees for concealers? Maybelline is becoming too expensive. I think it's 500 or 600 for one concealer. I could get a foundation in that shade, in that range. I don't know why. And this is just for below 200 for a concealer, and that is so a great one. I should really be a brand ambassador for Swiss Beauty, you know. Swiss Beauty is really like killing it with every angle. Obviously another product has to be Swiss Beauty. So this is the 9 color palette. Okay, I wanted to try this out as well. So I have a lot of lipsticks now. This is how it looks, and this is how it looks inside. See, it has all the colors here. It's great. Nice, awesome. Let's swatch some colors. Let's swatch this one here. It looks greenish, like military kind of color. On the lip, military kind of color. Oh my god! What is this? What is this? I just put a dip of finger. It looks brown now after swatching it. But dude, it's so good. And it's for 250 only. Can you believe it? 9 colors. Less than 250. Obviously I got it for a discounted price. But damn, that's really good. Last product is from Mars. Now we're going to another, you know, planet. Mars. So this is from Mars. Damn it. I really like these two shades. See, look at it now. It looks a little pinky, and this is a little bright. Wow. And this is in 03. Okay. Look at it. So cute. See it. It's really cute, yeah. Wow. This way blush, imagine. Imagine this kind of blush, baby. This and this, both are this. Might be pigmented also. Yeah, it's very pigmented. It's patching or it's nice. I thought it would be patchy. It's subtle and good. I love it. I love everything that I've purchased from so far. From this haul, from the Nika haul. We are done. Nothing's left. कुछ भी तो नहीं है. Like, which is not in my kind of range is the Maybelline loose powder, because that is little pink in undertone and I do not like pink undertone. So yeah, baki everything was fabulous, everything was good. Comment below which one do you like the most from all. I really love all the colors. They are bloody good. I'm very happy. Okay, thanks for watching.